Good evening, class. This lesson is going to be in our Being Green unit on our course management site. And in this video, I'm going to direct you to watch other videos on recycling. And then I'm going to show you how to make your own recycling center, because that's what we're going to be doing in class. So instead of me talking to you and telling you the importance of recycling and what different things we recycle, I'm going to have you go to our course management site, which I hope you're on now because that's where you found this video, and you're going to go to our Being Green unit, and I've posted right here in the middle what we're going to be going through in this video, and then the 3 videos that I want you to watch. So this is a video called Rob on the Road, and he explores a recycling center and how important it is. And this is another video about recycling and what it does. So this gives you some ideas and the importance of recycling instead of me telling you about it. So watch these first 2 videos, and then this 3rd video is optional. I just thought it was a really, really, really neat video on paper mostly and how it gets recycled, and the video was really put together very neatly. So I hope you watch that as well. It's a little bit longer than these ones, but it really is a neat video. So I'm going to have you do those to learn about recycling, and then think about what you want to bring in to make your own recycling center. So here I have given, where is it? All right, here it is. These are some different ideas. Let me start down here at the bottom. So you guys are going to be making your own recycling centers in class with your groups. So here are some different containers. This is a type of container. These are different buckets and stuff, containers and boxes. Those are what you're going to be bringing in to make your recycling center with. And then these are all different things you can use to decorate your recycling center, and just different papers and wrapping papers. You can bring in all this stuff to decorate your recycling center and make it your own idea. Let me see. I really like this picture I found because it shows that it looks like a group of students got together and made these recycling bins, and they put like handprints and they use black paper and different construction papers. So it really shows how creative they were, which is what I want you to be. Here are just some pictures I found of kids in action making recycling centers. This is a group of kids. As you can see, they're painting a cardboard box that they probably found or brought in. And they're doing it right in school, which is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making these recycling centers for places in the school. And there's another group of kids. This is the recycling center I made, just to give you guys another idea of what you can do. And that's pretty basic, which is fine. It's cardboard boxes decorated to make a recycling center. We could put that in any classroom, really, in the school, and it could be used, and that's kind of the point. Here's some other pictures of recycling centers that I found on the internet. You can look up different ideas too, just to know what you should bring in, or give you ideas on what you could bring in. Here's some metal cans that they used. I like the way that these are labeled. I like the way this one up here is labeled. I like the way they don't use words to label it, which is very interesting. That's a different way to label. And that could be helpful for kindergartners who can't read, for one, if you wanted to make a recycling center for their classroom. So that's a good idea. But I like the designs that these people used to make their recycling center. And this is a pretty basic one. This is for something like at home, but we could do that in the classroom as well. So really, these are just some great ideas on how to make some homemade recycling centers, which is what you guys are going to be completing in the classroom. So watch the videos on our course management site, these 3 videos, and maybe do your own research and think about what you can bring in to make your own recycling center. And have a good night. See you tomorrow.